हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी टेक्निक्स एंड रूटीन स्टेनिंग एक्सरसाइज 2। इसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे हम लोग कोई टिश्यू का हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी करते हैं, इसका क्या टेक्निक है और रूटीन स्टेनिंग कैसे करते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और समझते हैं हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी। टॉपिक है इसमें फिक्सेशन, डिहाइड्रेशन, क्लियरिंग, इम्प्रेग्नेशन, टिश्यू प्रोसेसर्स, इम्बेडिंग एंड ब्लॉकिंग, सेक्शन कटिंग, माइक्रोटोमी और रूटीन स्टेनिंग जो H&E से करते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हिस्टोलॉजी इज द टेक्निक ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल टिश्यू एट माइक्रोस्कोपिक लेवल। Histopathology is examination of tissues for presence or absence of changes in their structure due to disease processes. Both are done by examining thin section of tissues which are colored differently by different dyes and stains. Total or selected representative part of tissue not more than 4 mm thick is placed in a steel or plastic capsules or cassettes and is subjected to the following sequential processes. प्रोसेसिंग, टिश्यू प्रोसेसिंग जिसे कहते हैं। तो सबसे पहले फिक्सेशन होता है, फिर डिहाइड्रेशन, क्लियरिंग, इम्प्रेग्नेशन, ये प्रोसेसिंग है। उसके बाद इम्बेडिंग एंड ब्लॉकिंग, सेक्शन कटिंग और रूटीन स्टेनिंग। फिक्सेशन में क्या प्रोसेस होता है? तो any tissue removed from the body start decomposing immediately because of loss of blood supply and oxygen, accumulation of products of metabolism, action of autolytic enzymes and putrefactions by bacteria. This process of decomposition is prevented by fixation. Fixation is the method of preserving cells and tissues in lifelike conditions as far as possible. During fixation, tissues are fixed in complete physical and partially chemical state. Most fixatives acts by denaturing or precipitations of cell proteins or by making soluble component of cell insoluble. Fixative produces the following effect. कौन कौन सा इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? फर्स्ट, प्रिवेंट्स पेट्रिफैक्शन एंड ऑटोलाइसिस। सेकेंड, हार्डन्स द टिश्यूज विच हेल्प इन सेक्शन कटिंग। थर्ड, मेकिंग सेल insensitive to hypertonic or hypotonic solution. And fourth, act as a mordant. Fifth, induces optical contrast for good morphological examination. An ideal fixative has the following properties. First, it should be cheap and easily available. Second, it should be stable and safe to handle. Third, it should cause fixation quickly. Fourth, it should cause minimal loss of tissue. Fifth, it should not bind to the reactive group in tissues, which are meant for dyes. Sixth, it should give even penetration. It should give even penetration. Seventh, it should retain the normal color of the tissue. Types of fixatives. Fixatives may be simple or compound. Simple fixative consists of one substance, example formalin. Compound fixative has two or more substances, example Bowens-Jenkers. Simple fixative consists of one substance, example formalin. And compound fixative has two or more substances, example Bowens-Jenkers. ये सब compound fixative. Fixatives can also be divided into following three groups. Microanatomical fixatives, which preserve the anatomy of the tissue. Microanatomical fixatives जो कि preserve करते हैं anatomy of the tissue. दूसरा, cytological fixatives, which may be cytoplasmic or nuclear and preserves respective intracellular constituents. तीसरा है histochemical fixatives, employed for demonstration of histochemical constituents and enzymes. Histochemical fixatives employed for demonstration of histochemical constituent and enzymes. Commonly used fixatives are as under: formalin glutaraldehyde, picric acid जिसको हम लोग Bowens fluid भी कहते हैं, और फोर्थ, अल्कोहल, कैरोनीज fixative, Carnoy fixatives. Fourth, alcohol, example Carnoy's fixatives. And fifth, osmium tetraoxide. अब एक एक करके समझते हैं। Formalin. This is the most commonly used fixative in routine practice. Formalin is commercially available as saturated solution of formaldehyde gas in water. Formaldehyde gas in water. 40% by weight upon volume. 40% by weight upon volume. Weight upon volume. For all practical purposes, this 40% solution is considered as 100% formalin. For fixation of tissue, a 10% solution is used, which is prepared by dissolving 10 ml of commercially available formalin in 90 ml of water. It takes 6 to 8 hours for fixation of a thin piece of tissue 4 millimeter thick at room temperature. The amount of fixative required is 15 to 20 times the volume of a specimen. Formalin acts by polymerization of cellular protein by forming methylene bridge between protein molecules. Merits of formalin. First, rapidly penetrates the tissues. Second, normal color of tissues is retained. Third, it is cheap and easily available. And fourth, best fixative for neurological tissues. Demerits of formalin. इसमें क्या कमियां हैं? पहला, causes excessive hardening of tissues. Second, causes irritation of skin, mucous membrane, and conjunctiva. And third, leads to formation of formalin pigment in tissues having excessive blood at an acidic pH, which can be removed by treatment of section with picric alcohol in solution of NaOH. Okay, next है glutaraldehyde. Next क्या है? Glutaraldehyde. This is used as fixative in electron microscopy. Glutaraldehyde is used as 4% solution at 4 degrees Celsius for 4 hours for fixation of tissues. Disadvantages of glutaraldehyde. क्या इससे डिसएडवांटेज है? पहला है इट इज एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत महंगा आता है. सेकेंड, इट पेनिट्रेट्स द टिश्यू स्लोली, धीरे धीरे टिश्यू को पेनिट्रेट करेगा. अगला है बाउइन्स फ्लूइड पिक्रिक एसिड. दिस इज यूज्ड एज फिक्सेटिव फॉर रीनल और टेस्टिकुलर नीडल बायोप्सी में हम लोग पिक्रिक एसिड यूज करते हैं, जिसको बाउइन्स फ्लूइड कहते हैं. बाउइन्स फ्लूइड स्टेन्स द टिश्यूज येलो. It is also a good fixative for demonstration of glycogen. It is prepared as under saturated picric acid 375 ml, 40% formaldehyde 125 ml, and 25 ml glacial acetic acid. इसके बाद disadvantages. First makes the tissues harder and brittle. एंड causes lysis of RBC. ये RBC को क्या करता है? तोड़ देता है. इसके बाद है कार्नोइज फिक्सेटिव्स, अल्कोहल. तो अल्कोहल इज मेनली यूज्ड फॉर फिक्सेशन ऑफ साइटोलॉजिकल स्मेयर एंड इंडोमेट्रियल करेटिंग्स. It acts by denaturation of cell protein. Both methyl and ethyl alcohol can be used. Both methyl and ethyl alcohol can be used. Methyl alcohol is used as 100% solution for 20 to 30 minutes. Methyl alcohol का यूज हम लोग कब करते हैं? 100% solution for 20 to 30 minutes. Ethyl alcohol is used either as 95% solution or as Caronis fixatives for tissues which contains the following: ethyl alcohol absolute 300 ml, chloroform 150 ml, and glacial acetic acid 50 ml. Caronis is a good fixative for glycogen and dissolves fat. Osmium tetroxide. This is used as fixative for central nervous system tissues, CNS tissues, and for electron microscopy. Osmium tetroxide is best fixative for lipids. It is used as a 2% solution. It imparts black color to tissues. Dehydration. This is a process in which water from cells and tissues is removed so that this space is subsequently taken up by wax. Dehydration is carried out by passing the tissue through a series of ascending grades of alcohol: 70%, 80%, 95%. If ethyl alcohol is not available, then methyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol or acetone can be used. उसके बाद है clearing. So this is the process in which alcohol from tissues and cells are removed and is replaced by a fluid in which wax is soluble, and it also makes the tissues transparent. Xylene is the most commonly used clearing agent. Toluene benzene, it is carcinogenic. Chloroform, it is poisonous. And cedar wood oil, it is expensive and very viscous, can also be used as clearing agent. Next है impregnation. So this is the process in which empty a space in the tissue and cells after removal of water are taken up by paraffin wax. This harden the tissue, which help in section cutting. Impregnation is done in modern paraffin wax, which has the melting point 56 degrees Celsius. Melting point of 56 degrees Celsius, 54 to 64 degrees. Tissue processors क्या है? तो nowadays all the processes of fixation, dehydration, clearing and impregnation are carried out in a special equipment which is known as automated tissue processor. तो ये देखिए फिगर में दिखाया गया है टिश्यू प्रोसेसर, ऑटोमेटिक टिश्यू प्रोसेसर फोटोग्राफ है ये, और दूसरा है वैक्यूम टिश्यू प्रोसेसर. It can be an open hydraulic system or a closed vacuum type. In the open type, the tissue processor has 12 to 16 glass jars for formalin, ascending grades of alcohol, xylene, and thermostatically controlled 2 paraffin wax bathed to keep paraffin wax in molten state. Tissue moves automatically by hydraulic mechanism from one jar to another after fixed time schedule, and the whole process takes 12 to 22 hours. In closed type of tissue processor, tissue cassettes are placed in a single container, while different processing fluids are moved in and out sequentially according to electronically programmed cycle. The closed or vacuum processor has the advantage that there is no hazard of contamination of the laboratory by toxic fumes, unlike in an open system. In addition, heat and vacuum can be applied to shorten the processing time. Thus, closed tissue processor can also be applied for short schedule or rapid processing of a small biopsies. Next is embedding and blocking. Embedding of tissue is done in molten wax. Wax blocks are conventionally prepared using metallic L. Leucart's mold. Nowadays, plastic mold of different colors for blocking are also available. Figure 2.3 में दिखाया गया. The molds are placed over a smooth surface glass tile. Molten wax is poured in the cavity in the mold. The processed tissue pieces are put into wax with number tag and examining surface facing downward. Wax is allowed to solidify. After solidification, if L mold are used, they are removed, while plastic mold remains with the wax block. In either case, each block contains a tissue piece carrying a identification label. Embedding and blocking can also be performed in a special instrument called embedding center. It has a wax reservoir, heated area for steel molds. Wax disappears and separate hot and cold plates for embedding and blocking. Section cutting, microtomy. Microtome is an equipment for cutting sections. There are 5 types of microtomes. एक होता है पहला रोटरी, और दूसरा स्लाइडिंग, तीसरा फ्रीजिंग, और फोर्थ रॉकिंग, एंड फिफ्थ बेस स्लेज। तो फिगर 2.3 ये में दिखाया गया है ल्यूकार्ट्स मेटल मोल्ड, और बी में दिखाया गया है प्लास्टिक ब्लॉक मोल्ड इन डिफरेंट कलर। Rotary microtome. This is the most commonly used microtome. In this microtome, knife is fixed while the tissue block is movable. The knife in this faces upward and is wedge shaped. The knife used is of a steel. But glass knife can also be used. These knives are sharpened by a process known as honing and stropping. Honing is done manually on a stone or on an electrically operated automatic hone. After honing, a stropping is done, which is polishing of its edge over a leather strop. The process of sharpening of microtome knife can also be done by automatic knife sharpener. Figure 2.6. Nowadays, disposable blades for microtomy are also available. Tissue embedding center. Sliding microtome. In this, the tissue block is fixed while the knife is movable. These microtomes are used as freezing microtome. These microtomes are used as freezing microtomes. Freezing microtome. See under frozen section in exercise 3. Okay. Rocking microtome. This is a simple microtome. The knife is immovable while tissue block is held in a spring bearing rocking arm. This is more powerful when cutting serial section. Rotary microtome. Automatic knife sharpener. Base sledge microtome. This type of microtome is used for very hard tissues or large blocks. Example, pieces of brain and heart. Base sledge microtome. Procedure for microtomy. Put the paraffin block having tissues in it in a rotary microtome. Cut the section by operating the microtome manually after adjusting the thickness at 5 to 6 micrometers. Sections are picked from the knife with the help of a forceps or camel hair brush. These are made to float in a water bath which is kept at a temperature of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. That is slightly below the melting point of wax. This removes faults in the section. From water bath section are picked on a clean glass slide. The glass slide is placed in an oven maintained at a temperature of 56 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes for proper drying and better adhesion. Coating adhesives for section can be used before picking up sections. These include egg albumin, gelatin, poly-L-lysine, etc. This section is now ready for staining. Routine staining H&E. Routine staining is done with hematoxylin and eosin. H&E. Hematoxylin. This is a natural dye which is obtained from logwood tree, Hematoxylin campechianum. This tree is nowadays commercially grown in Jamaica and Mexico. The natural extract from the stem of this tree is hematoxylin, which is an inactive product. This product is oxidized to an active ingredient, which is hematine. This process of oxidation is known as ripening. which can be done naturally in sunlight or chemically by aiding of oxidants like sodium iodide, KMnO4 or mercury oxide. A mordant is added to it, example potassium, which helps in attaching the stain particles to the tissues. Procedure for staining. Section are first deparaffinized removal of wax by placing the slide in a jar of xylene for 10 to 15 minutes. As hematoxylin is a water-based dye, the sections before staining are rehydrated, which is done by passing the sections in a series of descending grades of alcohol and finally bringing to section to water. Place the slide in hematoxylin stain for 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Rinse in water. Rinse in water. Differentiation, that is selective removal of excess dye from the section, is done by putting the slide in a solution of 1% acid alcohol for 10 seconds. Rinse in water. Bluing, that is bringing the required blue color to the section, is done by putting the section in a Scott's tap water containing sodium bicarbonate and magnesium sulfate or saturated solution of lithium carbonate for 2 to 10 minutes. Counter stain with 1% aqueous solution of eosin for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse in tap water. Before mounting, the sections have to be dehydrated, which is done by passing the sections in a series of ascending grade of alcohol and finally cleared in xylene. 2 to 3 dips in each solution. Before mounting, the sections have to be dehydrated, which is done by passing the sections in a series of ascending grade of alcohol and finally cleared in xylene. 2 to 3 dips in each solution. Mount in DPX, dextrine polystyrene xylene, dextrine polystyrene xylene or Canada balsam, nuclei, blue, cytoplasm, pink, muscle collagen, RBCs, keratin, colloidal protein, pink. ओके फ्रेंड्स, ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है फ्रोजन सेक्शन एंड स्पेशल स्टेट, इसे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। तब तक के लिए बाय। हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और पढ़ाई करते रहिए। थैंक यू।